I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear. Anyways, I have decided to dye my hair. Now, before y'all cuss me out, this is gonna be ultra temporary. Like, I know usually people are like, I dyed my hair with no bleach, blah, 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 but they use developer, which can still make your hair dry or cause damage to your hair. They use developer, or they use that like L'Oreal High Color Lift or whatever. And to me, both of those things are still like harsh chemicals. No shade, no pink lemonade to anybody who does do that. I've dyed my hair right before I got locks with the L'Oreal High Color. And so like, I don't got nothing against that, but I'm still super nervous. So I'm dyeing my hair today, but I'm strictly using Adore. I'm strictly using Adore hair color, and the reason why I'm using Adore hair color, one, I gotta go to work. My job is probably okay with me having like bright hair or whatever, but personally I'm still a little nervous about having super bright hair. And I know that this Adore will come out after a couple months / a couple washes. And since I'm not lifting my hair, bleaching my hair, adding developer to my hair, it's not gonna be a major difference. Like, adding this Adore is really gonna be more so of like a, what color is her hair? I have Cajun Spice. I'm using this for sure. I have Cinnamon. I don't know if I'm using that one yet. And then I have this Crimson. This is left over from when I dyed my hair the first time. I don't even think I used the Crimson the first time I dyed my hair. But I have those three colors. And I'm gonna do a little shine, get to mixing, get to matching, and see where they lead me. And then I'm gonna start the process. I know some people wash their hair before they dye it, but I feel like when I did this in undergrad, I did not wash my hair before I dyed it. I am gonna add some Vaseline around my edges just to prevent staining. Y'all can't see right now, but I have an old t-shirt and I literally have an old sheet on the entire floor because I don't feel like getting super messy. And yeah, so hopefully I'm expecting, praying, hoping that my ends pop a little bit, like look a little different, and then overall my hair just has like a little tint, a little difference to it. I had to turn my music off for a second, but a great way to see if you would like the color so far is to take a little bit of the dye out of the bottle and put it on a paper towel like this. That's red. As hell. That's red as hell. Maybe I ain't mix it good. Okay. See how this one's darker than that one? I still have more Cajun Spice, and I have cinnamon also. So I'm gonna add more of the, I'm gonna do cinnamon. What y'all think? Let me do a little shaky shake a little bit more and see how I'm feeling. Cause I was gonna make it darker, but then remember my hair is not bleached. So the darker the color is, probably the less likely that it'll show up. I mixed it more and that's what it's looking like now, which I like more. I'm gonna divide it in half and then do a quarter. Now this is gonna get messy.
Stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy. I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy. Cocoa, mango, cherry. Dream it, real life. I might stay away. brown skin, God-fearing, real class, gotta keep a happy rats tea in the gym bag. It's not even out yet, wait, how she even get that? Yeah, that's what your friends say, got this beef from naysay. I might take lil' mama to Bahama for the vacay. Stack the guala every time a celebration. Do you never doubt it, always thought that I'd taste it. Holla, hallelujah, thank you Jesus, we gon' make it. Drop, slow, ride through the city with a sweet tooth. I made a left on Sterling, about to see you. Tryna see where this road lead to, so it's only right we playing Nipsey Hussle. Your smile, sunny California, yeah. Lately I've been balancing the highs and the lows. Ask me where it goes, only Lord knows. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. Sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry, dreaming real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleep on me. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away.
I have a lot of dye, so I'm doing this in kind of like a messy way, but I just did like the first layer of dye essentially. Ooh, I'm excited for how it's gonna turn out already. I don't even know how it's gonna turn out, but I've gone through and did the first layer already. Well, I was separating it, squeezing it into my ends and all of that. Now I'm about to go through and just do like a large portion and drag that down my hair as if I was distributing any other product.
Do you never doubt it, always thought that I'd taste it. Holla, hallelujah, thank you Jesus, we gon' make it. Drop, slow, ride through the city with a sweet tooth. I made a left on Sterling, about to see you. Tryna see where this road lead to, so it's only right we playing Nipsey Hussle. Your smile, sunny California, yeah. Lately I've been balancing the highs and the lows. Ask me where it goes, only
You're down your hair?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Nothing too crazy. I had coffee earlier. I have to go get my dryer out of the car, but I'm gonna go grab that and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe 30, depends on how caught up I get playing Stardew Valley. And I'll come back to y'all once I'm done sitting under the heater. But before I get into the show. All right. So I've been under the dryer for about, I want to say it's been like 20 minutes. I was underneath there dang near sweating. I don't feel like you're gonna see a huge difference right now. I mean, it is looking a little tinted. Y'all see the color change? I have some on my scalp. I don't really care. Like I said, this is a color that will wash out easily after a couple of washes. And this is what it is looking like right now. I am about to get in the shower and wash my hair slash rinse this out, and then I will come back. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't stop with it. Okay, anyways. Out the shower now. There was a little bit of bleeding. I think it's on the back of my head, so I possibly like just didn't rinse that part off well enough. Ooh, it's spicy. This is what it is looking like. I feel like it actually looks brighter on camera than it does in person. On this side, it looks like it rinsed out a little more than it did on this side. Again, I'm not expecting this color to be like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It was just a little switch up slash change. And so my hair actually looks darker than what it was because of the color that my hair was when I added the dye. But you see it's like a little reddish coppery. The copper is really showing, I feel like, on this side, whereas on this side looks a little more red. But it's not like it's mismatched, it still goes. So now I'm about to watch Coffee House Crime. That's one of my favorite YouTube channels. I need to be doing my own videos instead of watching Coffee House Crime. But I'm about to watch Coffee House Crime and do a quick no retwist style. So I'm gonna start that and then come back to y'all at the end.
For yourself, you want me to know you're doing well. Sending this shit to me all the time, just telling you that I never lie. Doing things for me like you want me back. Hey, I'm sorry I don't feel the same way back. Hey, I just wanna be doing shit I haven't. You won't get me, it's just how I behave.
It's the next day. I'm over here squinting. But this is what the hair is looking like in the sun. Can y'all see? I can't see. I love how the ends look. I was over here singing this Lil Wayne song like, I met a female dragon, give me fire conversation. Cute, subtle color. It's cute. I'm ready to get cute and actually style my hair and see how it looks with that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all enjoyed going through this process with me. I will check back in with y'all next time. Peace.